We are taking a close look at the rising price of gas because of the war in Iran. Financial advisor Bruce Allen joining me now. Thank you for coming in. We always love having you with us. The price of a barrel of oil now more than $100. We're seeing the gas prices go up as well. Can you explain the domino effect and what do we see in the coming weeks?
Sure. So before the conflict started on Friday, a week and a half ago, the crude oil was trading at $67 a barrel. This morning, it at one point was over $117, and it's dropped off of those high levels, and we're right now a little over $100, and we were about $102 about a half hour ago. So when crude oil prices rise, gasoline prices follow. So that's the base ingredient of gasoline, and so when the base ingredient rises, gasoline prices rise.
Yeah, and so what are you watching for the next couple of weeks?
Well, gasoline was $2.98 before the war started a week and a half ago. It was $3.40 over the weekend. It is very likely with these significant jumps on both Friday, we went up from $79 to $92 a barrel, and now we're up another $10 on top of that.
Yeah.
Those are big jump in prices. We might hit over $3.50
Yikes.
across the nation, and that's according to Gas Buddies, and it looks like $4 might be an option.
Yikes. All right. You're also tracking the market reaction to the conflict. What are you seeing?
First thing we're seeing is the dollar's rising. Commodities are denominated in dollars, and as the price of oil rises, the dollar's rising. Also, we are a net exporter of energy. That's one thing not a lot of people have talked about, so that's good for the United States. Tough for other countries that have to import energy. Number two, interest rates have been rising, unfortunately. So rates were 3.94, 3.95 right before the conflict. Now they're 4.20, around that range. So we've gone up about a quarter of a percentage point. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot. And lastly, stocks were down last week. The Dow was down 3, S&P down 2. This morning we saw futures at one point were down 2%. That's really, we've risen from those very negative levels, but we're still down a little closer to 1% right now.
We are almost out of time, but just real fast, if you can tell us, what are you for inflation as well?
With gas prices rising, that may have a negative impact on inflation. Inflation, which might be running around 2.5% to less than 3%, might be bumping up close to that 3, maybe even higher levels as we go forward.
All right. Thank you so much for always giving context on something that I think all of us are talking about right now. So we appreciate it. Thank you, Bruce. And you can stay up to date with our coverage of the war and the impact we are feeling here at home at any point on our website, denver7.com.